Hey gang, welcome back to Arm Candy. I hope you're having a lovely, lovely day. How awesome is this? Isn't that just the most fabulous colour in a wallet? It's a little Coach wallet in the most fabulous shade of orange in this gorgeous grained leather. Feels beautiful, looks delightful. I love it. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with the box, okay? And then inside the box you can see that you've got the Coach tissue paper along with the Coach sticker, which I think makes it a really nice gifting item then. When you've got all the box and all the bits to go with it, you can wrap it nicely, send it off to somebody and they'll be delighted. And also the Coach care card. So let's talk you through the features of it. I'm going to start on the back. You've got a little zipped pocket here, and whilst I don't think it will focus on the writing, you can see that there is writing on the zip. It says Coach. It is the most adorable, cutest little zip pull I think I've ever seen. I love this. I just think that attention to detail, and it's so cute. And then inside you've got a nice decent pocket with one of these little bits in it. I can't think what this bit is called, but you've got one of these little, so it makes it more of a pouch, so you can actually use that pocket. And then it's a flap closure on the front. It's got a press-stud fasten. And then straight the way on the front, you've got a little pocket just here. And then we'll open it up. And altogether here, you've got 4 card slots. On this side, there's 3 card slots. And then you've also got a pocket here and a pocket there. And then if we switch it that way, you can see you've got what would traditionally be a pocket for your notes, but obviously you could keep whatever you wanted to in there. Okay, so the condition of this is excellent throughout. The interior is excellent, the exterior is excellent, the hardware is all excellent. And of course the colour is just stunning. It's a real cheerful little wallet, and that little zip I think is just gorgeous. So before you go and have a look at this on the website, remember to sign up to this, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. And then when you've done that, you can use, in the comments below, I've put a link directly to this on our website. So you can go and hit the link, check this out on the website, and you can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets. They're all on there. And if you've not yet signed up to our newsletter, then do, because we send you a discount code. You get 5% off your first purchase with Arm Candy. And it's dead easy to do. Just go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, little white box, pop your email address in and we will send you your discount code. It will come through immediately. If you don't get it immediately, just check your spam folder. Sometimes they wind up in there. Also, in the comments below, we always put a link to our Instagram. If you're interested in what's going on behind the scenes in Arm Candy World, come and join us on Instagram. But last little look at this gorgeous Coach. Go and have a look at this on our website. And we'll see you tomorrow on Arm Candy with tomorrow's bag.